My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie. This is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today we are going to be testing out a brand new concealer by a brand I absolutely live for. I'm going to be trying the new Marc Jacobs, what's it called? Accomplice Concealer and Touch-Up Stick. As soon as I saw this on the Sephora website, there was no question in my mind. Concealer, Marc Jacobs, yeah, okay, check out. So, if you would like to know all the details about this concealer, how much it is, what it claims to do, and then see me try it on, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm going to be comparing the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer to my Ride or Die Tried and True Tarte Shape Tape. So, yeah, we're going to try it and see how I feel about this compared to my Shape Tape. I got the color Fair 16, so I'm just going to go straight in with the stick, but if you are wanting it to, like, if you want to sheer this out, you can. You can, like, use your finger and sheer it out. Okay. So I'm going to go in with a damp sponge. And it blends out beautifully, like, no doubt about that. And it looks so, like, beautiful and skin-like. And it is like full coverage, but without looking full coverage. Okay, so here is the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer, and here is just my foundation. So for foundation, I'm wearing my YSL All Hours foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape on the other side. Wow, they're really close. Sorry. They're like almost identical looking. Okay, so here is the Tarte Shape Tape side. And here is the Marc Jacobs side. This side actually looks like dewier than this side. And that was kind of my concern with the Marc Jacobs concealer. I didn't know if I was just imagining things, but it seemed as time went on, it started to look like dewy. Alright, so I'm going to set it with some powder. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Alright, so I'm going to go finish my makeup and then I will come back and show you the completed look. Okay, so my makeup is completed and I am still saying that they honestly look almost identical. Actually, now with my makeup finished, the Marc Jacobs side looks a little like smoother. Let me see if they transfer. Alright, I'm just gonna have to see how it wears with time, so I will check back with you guys. Alright, so this is my makeup completed with both concealers. I apologize, my microphone was not working when I was filming this and I did not realize it, so I'm just going to do a voiceover and basically tell you exactly what I was saying in the video. So, I have been wearing the foundation for concealers for a little over 6 hours now, and they're both holding up almost identically. It is starting to wear off around my nose and my chin a little bit, as expected, but they are both wearing almost identically. And I did want to try the Marc Jacobs Accomplice as a touch-up stick, since it does claim that it is a touch-up stick as well as concealer. So I'm going to add a little bit on my chin where it was starting to wear off, and I'm going to see how well that works. I'm always skeptical about like touch-up sticks, especially since I have powder on. I, will never go in with a cream product over a powder because it tends to like break up and separate when you do. But I just wanted to try it since it did claim it was a touch-up stick. So I just went in with some more, and then I'm dampening my beauty sponge and I'm gonna see how it works. It was really hard to blend out, so I ended up using my finger and it did end up separating and just looking a hot mess. I'll zoom in it and you can see it a little bit, but it's really hard to see. I could see it in person, and if you've ever tried to put like a cream product over top of a powder, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It just separates and kind of ruins everything. So I don't recommend using this as a touch-up stick. But as far as concealer, so here is, I'm trying to show you where it's separated. But as far as concealer goes, I think it is a bomb concealer. It is full coverage, it is super creamy, and it blends out so easily, so beautifully. I had no issues setting it. I tried it with multiple different powders, because there are some concealers that look great and then you try to set it and it just won't work well with certain powders. But I had no issues setting it. It looks so natural and it's just really gorgeous. It's, as you can see, like it's comparable to my Shape Tape, which I adore. So I definitely think it is a really good concealer that could be full coverage, or you could use your finger like I'm doing here and you could shear it out and make it more of like a medium coverage if you don't want full coverage. But I really think it's a great product and a great concealer. Yeah, I hope this helped you some way if you're trying to decide whether or not to purchase this. and I just think it's a really gorgeous, natural looking, full coverage concealer that will work well on all skin types.